Whether you own a large truck or a small car, there's one common problem they share, and that's storage space. Ideally, you need to free your floor from items, especially long rifles and ammo, for a smooth drive. Fortunately, getting the best tactical seat covers can solve this problem easily. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 tactical seat covers on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Tacticool Car Seat Back Tactical Car Seat Cover. Tacticool offers one of the top-tier tactical car seat covers that can expand the storage area of my car. It has more pockets than I can count, so it can handle just about anything from pens to emergency kits. This tactical seat organizer features a unique MAL system that can accommodate extra MAL packs to increase storage space. I think the capacity is about 50 pounds, which is more than sufficient to keep my things organized. What's even better is that this tactical seat cover installs very easily and firmly with its 2 adjustable buckle straps. The construction of this seat cover is pretty impressive. I love the 1000D nylon fabric that can resist tears and abrasion. There are 2 large pockets to handle big items and D-rings to hook other pouches for extra storage. This tactical seat cover includes a USA flag patch that can show my patriotism to the country. Thankfully, the patch isn't fixed, so I can switch it to another design whenever I like. Additionally, the product comes with a 180-day warranty to cover any defects. However, the size may be a little small if you own a big vehicle. For my Kia Soul, this cover works perfectly. I also noticed an unpleasant smell, but it died down after several uses of fabric sprays. Number 2. Sunpie Upgrade Tactical Seat Cover. I'm pleased that I came across the Tactical Seat Covers F150 from Sunpie. This military seat cover has a universal design that fits most truck models, such as 2007 to 2016 Jeep Wranglers, Cherokee, and Land Cruiser. I love how plenty of MAL bags are fixed into the seat cover to store essential items like phones, compasses, and flashlights. There are around 7 MAL bags, and my favorite pouch is the large goods storage bag as it fits all my fit trail gear. The best part is I can add or remove the pouches if I like. Another thing that I like about this upgraded large seat cover is the quality. The seat cover uses 600 denier polyester, which I believe to be durable and stable. The MAL bags are fixed by canvas strips rather than Velcro, so I think they're stronger and more secure that way. The upgraded version offers a large seat cover, which I love because it protects my car seat from dirt effectively. At the top, there's a hook and loop strip that can fit a small patch for a little customization. I can add whatever flag or design I want to replace the American flag on the cover. However, the seat cover is not UV protected because the color faded when exposed to direct sunlight through an untinted window. Number 3. Chris Kyle Interior Seat Cover. When talking about tactical seat covers with gun holders, Chris Kyle is one of my favorites. This interior seat cover has a pistol concealment pouch located at the front, making it subtle and accessible. The fabric is made of rugged 600 denier polyester, which is a nice degree of thickness. I think it's finished with a special duckskin coating because it repels stains and water very effectively. My favorite is the high-quality Endurcium stitching, as it makes the cover even more durable. The MAL setup is well made and adds a slightly badass look to the cover. It's a big plus that I can carry 2 rifles or shotguns thanks to the adjustable rifle straps. I have to applaud the Velcro side setup because it breaks free during the deployment of the airbag. The skull print design makes this seat cover stand out from others. In addition, the headrest cover fits nicely on my father's 2016 Nissan Titan XD. Compared to other bungee cord fasteners I tried, the ones on this particular model are heavier. However, this cover won't fit those seats with built-in headrests and seat belts. Number 4. IronSeals Car Seat Back Tactical Seat Cover. The IronSeals Car Seat Back Organizer provides multiple storage compartments to make our vehicle mess-free. The package comes with 4 detachable pouches and 4 carabiners, which I find useful for climbing. There are 2 large pockets and 3 bottom pockets built into the cover for more storage options. I like the fact that the panel allows me to fit as many MAL pouches as I like. I'm a fan of the water bottle pouch because it looks very secure when holding my water bottle during travel. I believe that the organizer is made of nylon fabric as it delivers high compressive strength and wear resistance. I tried putting some sharp tools in the bottom pocket and I didn't notice any abrasions on the fabric at all. More impressively, this cover didn't fade after washing it many times. When it comes to design, iron seals never disappoint. There's a magic loop panel where buyers can stick morale patches. As a bonus, the package already includes a US flag for military or law enforcement personnel. However, there are no instructions included, so installation is a bit tricky. Consumers should also know that this item doesn't suit cars with power seats. Number 5. Ueda Seat Back Cover Car Seat. Ueda is one of the baddest military seats covers for trucks that allow the storage of 2 rifles. Thankfully, there are 2 straps to hold the rifle vertically so they won't fall down while the user's driving. I installed this seat organizer on the back seat of my brother's 2019 Tacoma, and it fits just right. The back area provides a lot of space for storage with various types of MAL pouches. I ended up attaching a lot of stuff, like a first aid kit, ammo, and a flashlight. The fabric is 1000D Oxford nylon, so it's very tough and durable against daily wear. The top strap seems to be carefully stitched because it didn't break when I attached some heavy items. Also, the MAL straps seem capable of holding different weights of pouches for added storage. This seatback organizer fits almost any vehicle thanks to its 2 adjustable straps. I believe it can fit on trucks, SUVs, and pickup trucks. Among all the features, my favorite is the large middle pocket because it can hold my laptop safely. However, I dislike how the strap is wrapped around the front seat because it looks a little unkempt. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.